Hey guys, this is Eric here with Six Figure RV Lifestyle, and in this video, I just wanted to kind of talk about where we are right now as a nation with this coronavirus, with this COVID-19, where we are actually in the world. And really, what I really want to get to is talking about your finances during it. We know that the government in many states, many of the governors and all that have already put place what's called a shelter in place or lockdown, to where basically you cannot go out unless it's essential to get groceries, to get food. If you're an essential worker like service-related, plumbers, electricians, or nurses, or things like that, to where it's essential. They don't want you going out, and we understand why. Well, people can argue and say conspiracy theory, it's fear-mongering, whatever it is, but I think the whole purpose of it is to keep people safe and try to stop the spread of this thing. So, with that being said, I'm also a full-time electrician alongside of I also sell T-shirts online, and I teach other people how to do the same thing. And since the end of 2013, so for the last 20 years, I've been an electrician. Since the end of 2013, I had to find a way to supplement my income. And with doing that, I started getting online, trying to find ways to make money online. And what I came into was a way to sell T-shirts. Selling T-shirts on Facebook. Okay, I don't print, I don't ship, I don't handle customer support. I just come up with a design, and all that's within the course. Some of y'all that are actually probably will watch this video, you already got the course. One of my first students, his first T-shirt made $2,300 in profit. He spent just over $300 in Facebook ads. Okay, one of my best T-shirts. Me and my family went to the Panama City Beach, and we did. I did just over $11,366, and I spent $500 in Facebook ads. Okay, so the system works. All right. Now some of y'all are put on lockdown. I don't know what your jobs are, but some of y'all, your work's getting slow. They're laying off people, and you wished that you had a way to supplement that income. You wish that you had something online, because here's the thing. Like I said, I'm an electrician, and our work has got severely slow because of the coronavirus. But that don't stop me making income. I still got plenty of money that's coming in from selling T-shirts and on Facebook, that it just keeps on coming. Now, will people, as a result of this, will people slow down buying T-shirts? Absolutely. But it doesn't. It still don't matter that much, because people will still buy T-shirts. They do. They still buy it. There's people out there that are still making money, and people out there that still got money saved up. So when they see a T-shirt, they're going to buy it. So if you've been on the fence, maybe you saw some of my videos and you've been on the fence about whether to purchase my course, I'm going to give you a no-brainer right here, okay? I was selling this course at one time for $497. I was selling a couple a day, and I got some really awesome results and really awesome testimonies from that. And but what I want to do, because some of y'all may be hurting right now, maybe you don't have, you're not been financially set, you didn't have the money put back aside, I'm going to sell this course for $97, okay? And it's going to be for a limited time. Once this coronavirus gets over and people start going back to work, I'm going to raise the price back up to $497, okay? So really, it's a no-brainer. If you're watching this video now and you purchased this course for $497, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to help as many people as I can going through this crisis, because I remember there being times where me being an electrician prior to 2013, my work was very, very slow, and I didn't know what I was going to do, didn't know how I was going to pay the bills, okay? Some of y'all are probably sitting there. Me and my family, we do full-time RVing, and that's by choice. It's not because we have to have an RV and have to live that small. It still costs a lot to live in an RV, especially depending on what parks you stay at. Some of those things cost a lot of money, and so it's nothing like that. I mean, I spend for my RV and RV park, it's right at $1,500. Okay, so it ain't like you do that to save money. We don't, you save money on power bills and stuff like that, because all that's included. But we just like that lifestyle. We like the lifestyle to be able to travel more. And that soon, someday we will actually, probably, get us a house and stuff like that. But for right now, we like the freedom to be able to travel the country and just do whatever we want, okay? But what I really love right now is the fact that while I'm sitting at home and I can't do electrical work, or I can't, be out there doing that, I'm able to be on lockdown. I can spend more time with my family and still making money, okay? There's times, but prior to all this, we would go to restaurants. I would make enough money while sitting at that restaurant to pay for my food. When we go to vacations and we go to different parts, I'd make enough money, okay, while being on vacation to pay for that vacation, okay? Just PayPal notifications coming through. So, like I said, all I'm doing is selling T-shirts on Facebook. I come up with designs and I teach you the best ways to find awesome design ideas. I teach you how to get those designs, designed for as little as $5. Okay, guys. Many people don't know how to do this. Some people pay over $200 for designs. I can get the same kind of quality and same complexity designs for as little as $5. Okay, I teach you that website. I teach you how to. I'm just watching my kids out here fishing out here at the park. Let me see if I can flip it. Let you see this. See right here, the RV park. This is in Georgia. Beautiful, beautiful park. And I'm not going to disclose where we're at because, well, I'm just not going to do it. It's just not good to do that. But they're out here fishing. We're just enjoying the day. We're on lockdown. We're staying isolated. We're doing our part. But I'm making money doing it, okay? So it's a no-brainer. So if you're looking for a way to supplement your income, $97, click the link below or go to www.sixfigurervlifestyle.com. It might be formed. I can't remember what it was, but I'll have the link in the video at some point in the description. If you need the link and you don't have it, please just reach out to me. You can find me on Facebook under Six Figure RV Lifestyle, and we'll look forward to seeing. If you also go to some of my other videos, I do have the link in the videos within this page here. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share, and because I do have a lot of other videos on my channel that you can actually teach you how to make some money. Okay, so y'all stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands, do your part, and just make money while you do it. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is Eric with Six Figure RV Lifestyle.